Crispy honey garlic chicken viral and easy recipe. Looking for a crispy, juicy, and flavor-packed chicken recipe? This honey garlic chicken is a must-try. With golden brown crispy chicken coated in a sweet and savory garlic sauce, it's a crowd pleaser that's blowing up on YouTube and TikTok. Instructions: prepare the chicken. In a bowl, mix flour, cornstarch, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. In another bowl, whisk the egg and milk. Coat and fry. Dip the chicken pieces into the egg mixture, then coat with the flour mixture. Heat oil in a pan and fry until golden brown and crispy. Drain on a paper towel. Make the sauce. Melt butter in a pan, sauté garlic until fragrant, then add honey, soy sauce, and sriracha. Simmer for 2 minutes. Add the cornstarch slurry to thicken. Coat the chicken. Toss the crispy chicken in the honey garlic sauce until fully coated. Serve and enjoy. Garnish with sesame seeds and chopped green onions. Serve with rice or on its own. Why this recipe is trending: super crispy and flavorful. Easy to make in under 30 minutes, perfect for meal prep and family dinners.